Why do we burn Holika before playing Holi? Do you know the story of Prahalad and Holika?
Something about fire, right?
Yes. King Hiranyakashyap wanted everyone to worship him, but his son Prahalad only worshipped Lord Vishnu. The king's sister Holika had a magical boon. Fire could not harm her. She tried to burn Prahalad, and she used her powers for evil. She tricked Prahalad to sit in fire with her. But because she used her powers for evil, she burned herself, while Prahalad was saved.
So Holi isn't just about throwing colors.
Not at all. The colors represent about love, joy, unity, and it reminds us about to spread love but not hatred.
And that's why everyone plays together no matter who they are.
Exactly. Holi removes all the differences. Everyone is equal in color.
Then let's not just play Holi. Let's celebrate it with a meaning and using natural colors.
Celebrations all around, hearts are lifting off the ground, lights that spark